Ever wished for cool air without the hassle of vents or complicated setups? You're about to discover it. In this video, we reveal the top 5 best ventless air conditioners that truly deliver comfort and convenience. Welcome to my channel, and if one feels right, grab it from the links below. The number 5 product on our list is FANCOLE Portable Air Conditioner. Imagine discovering a ventless cooler that breezes through heat like a silent hero. The FANCOLE Portable Air Conditioner, featured in our top 5 best ventless air conditioners list, redefines comfort without windows. With a powerful 1620 CFM airflow in 2-gallon tank, it begins cooling in seconds and covers spaces up to 300 square SQFT. The 4 modes and 3-speed settings, including sleep and natural breeze options, offer flexibility tailored to your moment. It's surprisingly quiet below 50 dB, even in high mode. The 120 dG swing keeps airflow even, and LED touch controls with remote add modern convenience. Users praise its thoughtful top-fill tank and long-lasting iceboxes that enhance cooling. Tested for real-world comfort, downsides include high energy use compared to condenser units and limited impact in humid conditions. But if you're after a portable, hose-free solution that feels refreshing in dry climates or garage setups, FANCOLE earns its place as a smart, hassle-free cooling pick, trustworthy and efficient delivery of chill to your space. Number 4 is FLOWBREEZE Portable Air Conditioner. Ever thought a ventless act could truly cool a room? The FLOWBREEZE Portable Air Conditioner, earnestly ranked in the top 5 best ventless air conditioner list, shatters that myth with sleek and meaningful performance under $200. Its 3-in-1 system combines fan, cooler, and humidifier modes to deliver instant airflow for spaces around 300 SQFT. With whisper quiet operation at ~49 dB and a 15-hour timer plus 120 dG oscillation, it intelligently fills a room without turning heads. The top-fill water tank and included ice packs mean effortless setup. No hose, no fuss, just real relief. Tested for real-world comfort, users applaud its portability and versatility, though some caution it's best in dry climates, not sticky summer heat. Sure, it won't match compressor AC strength, but if you crave immediate, quiet, hose-free cooling that feels like smart value, FLOWBREEZE excels. It's a trustworthy, budget-conscious choice for those looking to stay chill without overkill. The third one on our list is BUENICOO Portable Air Conditioner. Ever felt like your space needed a refresh, but traditional ACs felt bulky and complex? The BUENICOO Portable Air Conditioner, earning a spot in the top 5 best ventless air conditioner list, delivers an easy, press-and-play cooling breeze that's surprisingly effective. Equipped with a 2.5-gallon water tank and quiet dual motors, it cools a shed, bedroom, or small office effortlessly and without hoses. Users rave it's very quiet and compact yet powerful, with remote control and timer adding real convenience. The sleek black design rolls easily and fits snugly into tight spaces. While it's ideal for dry climates and bold airflow, it won't match the chill of a window AC in humid conditions and requires frequent refills. But if you're looking for portable, energy-conscious comfort without venting or fuss, BUENICOO delivers real-world relief and smart, no-fuss value. This is a confident pick for anyone craving simplicity and serenity in summer cooling. Number 2 is BALIFIR Portable Air Conditioner. Ever wondered if you could turn your room into a mini oasis without drilling or hoses? The BALIFIR Portable Air Conditioner proves you can, earning a well-deserved spot in the top 5 best ventless air conditioner lineup. It's a sleek 3-in-1 unit with evaporative cooling, fan, and humidifier modes that kicks in fast. A massive 6-liter water tank with 3 ice packs lasts through a warm night, and the top-filled design means no bending. Refreshing convenience for all users. Operates whisper quiet at around 40 dB so it won't interrupt sleep or work, while 60 dG oscillation spreads cool air evenly. Remote control and a 7-hour timer add fuss-free comfort. Users praise how it cooled my bedroom within minutes and note real-world portability. Sure, its cooling doesn't match compressor-driven ACs and it's best in dry climates, but if you want smart, simple relief without installation headaches, BALIFIR delivers confident, serene comfort. Ideal for bedrooms, offices, or dorms. Now moving to the last one is WICOLO Portable Air Conditioner. Ever wondered if a ventless cooler could truly feel like a lifesaver on scorching days? The WICOLO Portable Air Conditioner, earning its spot in the top 5 best ventless air conditioner lineup, proves it brings real refreshing relief without the hassle. This unit features a large 2-3-gallon top-filled tank and runs whisper quiet around 46 dB, making it ideal for bedrooms or home offices. With 3 modes and 6 fan speeds, plus a 12-hour timer and remote control, it adapts to every moment of your day. Real users on Reddit highlight its ease. No hoses, no installation, just plug, fill, and chill. The 120 DEG oscillation spreads breeze evenly, providing an oasis-like feel even in cramped spaces. It's compact yet thoughtful in design, though its cooling works best in dry climates and can't match a traditional. If you desire simple portable comfort without ducts or windows, WICOLO feels like a calming upgrade. A smart, serene choice for anyone seeking gentle, effective ventilation. The winner among all is WICOLO Portable Air Conditioner for its efficient cooling, compact design, and quiet operation. It offers the best balance of performance, portability, and value, making it the top overall choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best ventless air conditioner. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more video.